Welcome to Timberland Farms. My name's Anthony. Today we're going to be testing out this beast of a log splitter. It's my homemade log splitter. It runs on a 22 horsepower V-twin engine. I think it's about 50 to 60 tons of splitting force. We just installed this log lift that's locked up in place right here while we wait for funds to get hydraulics for it. You can see that I already tried splitting with this. This is only about 5 minutes worth of splitting with it. So everything seemed to work pretty darn good. So I'm gonna get the tractor fired up, roll the dump trailer up behind this guy, and throw this wood into it. We're gonna move the firewood operation around and get things moved into place, and we're gonna start splitting today. But before we do that, I'll take you guys for a walk around on the splitter and show you what we've done so far. It's probably half a face cord between that and what's sitting on the ground over here. Here's the log splitter, 22 horsepower V-twin. That's our log table here and our outfeed table. Left provisions right here for a hydraulic cylinder to sit, and then there's going to be a plate that sticks out to help lift and lower that six-way wedge. That six-way wedge is probably about 50-60 pounds. It's not fun to have to pick up and hold, and if you want to split a piece directly in half, you can just lift that wedge up. Either run it as a four-way or a six-way or even a single wedge. Got this tower up here. That's provisionary for a couple off-road lights we're going to have pointed towards us right now, so we can run off the battery and shine light down this direction, because we get dark about 4:30 anymore, and it's going to get darker even sooner as we get closer to December. But let's get everything fired up and let it warm up. It's about 38 degrees outside today. Let's see how this old girl does. It's a 1968 case 430 diesel. It's got the 188 diesel engine in it. It's been sitting outside like this for the last 24 hours at least. So let's get it fired up. Definitely not liking it. Come on, baby. There we go. We'll let you warm up. Now we can give the log splitter an old cold start as well. See that partial choke? I gotta come over to the back side and open up the air vent on the fuel tank. We'll let that warm up. So the nice thing with this outfeed table is I don't have to bend over to throw pizzas into the trailer until we get a firewood conveyor. Then the firewood conveyor just can sit underneath this guy. All right, well, here we go. Let's see what she's made of. Oh, guys, it cooled back down. This tree service wood is not fun to split. Not for this splitter anyway. It definitely does not like it. This piece right here has a big nail in it. Knotty, twisted. It is something, that's for sure. Here's a somewhat straight piece. It's got a little twist and crook in it, but we'll see. Definitely a little nicer. Lots of nails.